Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Learn Urdu using English Phonics lesson number 3. This is a full English explanation for our English learners, and of course we'll be using English Phonics approach to read Urdu. Okay, let's move on to quickly tell you what will be there in the today's lesson. Okay, we'll be telling you some new consonant sound, and there will be a new vowel that will be introduced. Based on this, we'll be blending some new words with the new consonant of vowel. Okay, so we'll be introducing you these consonant sounds along with this vowel sound, and then we'll move on to blend as usual, and you will be learning how to crack the new sounds code, and you learn the new sounds code and you learn how to crack them to read Urdu. Let's move on to formally start the lesson. Okay, let's introduce you the consonant. First consonant we're going to learn today. This is my first consonant. We'll be doing it today. Okay, and let's go on to the bigger screen to introduce you this first consonant, the letter of Urdu alphabet. Okay, now we have got a letter of this over here. First of all, you need to recognize what kind of a shape is this. Okay, if I put some picture, this too much correlates with the hockey over there, isn't it? The hockey also starts like this and goes something like so. This letter of Urdu alphabet, something starts from here. Let's go down and we turn around and go up like this. So it's more like a hockey. Okay, over here. What's the phonetic code? The phonetic code is L. So what's the sound it makes? L, just like you say in the L, like, okay, the main same sound which is loud. L, okay, first and then this is a full form. Okay, you know, it's also a family member living in a family, so it has a joining form. How we'll be doing its joining form? Okay, first of all, let me write the full form. Okay, it's something goes like this and over here. Okay, for the joining form, we'll start from here and stop somewhere over here, and will not write the next part. So that's its joining form or connecting form. Okay, till over here. So how will it go? We'll go like this and we'll stop somewhere over here. Okay, so that's its joining form. The phonetic code is L. Okay, let's move on. This is the second consonant for today. So we'll be introducing. Okay, let's move on to the bigger screen. Okay, now this is my second consonant, the Urdu alpha letter. Okay, how we write it? We start from here and then we go over there. We make a circle like this. We make a round like this and go over there and put a dot inside. Okay, it exactly resembles some like a crescent. You know, it's something like a crescent, then a star inside. Okay, so that's how you can correlate. What's the phonetic sound? The phonetic sound is Let me write the full form. That's the full form. Okay, and how do we? It's also a family member. It has got a joining form. Okay, so we'll start from here and we'll stop somewhere over here. We'll not write this part. So that's how it will make a joining form. Okay, so this is this is its joining form. Okay, the full form will write it like this and the joining like this. Okay, now what's the difference? The ba has a dot down, the n has a dot up, just like ought not. So that's the sound n. Okay, so n has a one dot up. Okay, and let's introduce you this one. This is the sound. Okay, this does not have a joining form. Okay, it's just like it's just like R doesn't have a joining form, and this is the sound O. What is this sound? O. Okay, this is sound O. Okay, this is sound O. Okay, both of them are brothers, and they do not have a joining form. They will not go to join anyone. You can come to stay with them, but you cannot invite them anywhere. Even if you'll invite, they'll not come. So they do not have a connecting form. So what's the final shape of our consonants and vowel today? So we have got a sound L. This is the full form. Write down the joining form. This is the joining form. This is the full form. Write down the joining form L, N, and Okay, how do we write this one? I didn't tell you. We write it something, over here it goes something like this. Okay, we write it something like this. Okay, so let me show it you on the bigger screen as well. Okay, this is the full form, Okay, let's try to analyze why I am concentrating on the script. If you are able to crack the script, other than that, it's blending just it's very easy. Okay, let's look over here. When we write it over there, practically since it's in the computer, it is all filled with ink, but when we write it, we write it like this. Okay, we make a small circle and you make it run like this one. Okay, make a small circle, run like this. Okay, make a small circle and run like this. So this is the sound O. O is just like in the ga, oat, goat. Okay, so we have got O sound over here like this. O, the O in the boat. Okay, so that's our final shape. Okay, L, N, O sound. So let's move on to formally starts today's letter blending, and let's move on. Okay, before proceeding ahead, let's quickly revise all these sounds. What is this sound? B. What is this sound? Pa. What is this sound? Ta. This is the hard form. Ta, ta, ta. This is the soft ta, ta, ta. And what's the sound of this? Oh, I hope that you remember. If you not, you have to go back to the previous lesson to do all this. Okay, let's start formal blending for the first word today. Okay, over here we have got, okay, let's try to crack. This is from the previous lesson as well, so you should be able to, if you have practiced well, you should be able to crack this one. Okay, we have got a sound down here, pa. And what is this sound? Ah, pa, ah, pa. And this is the today's sound we learn. Pan. Yes, good job. Okay, now over here we have got the sound pa, ah, pa. Two sounds means two letters, so these are two letters followed by a dash. This dash represents this space, and this pan. Okay, pan. I hope that you understand. That's the betel leaf. Okay, now if I'll write pa, pa. Okay, pa. Let's change the color. Pa, pa. Pan. Okay, let's move on to the next. Okay, now we have got a next word over here. Okay, I told you if you find a one dot down, it's ba. If you have one dot up, then it's a sound. Sound. We have just read this sound. Okay, now let's try to break it up. So we have got a sound over here, we have got a sound over there, and we have got a sound over here. These are three letters. Let's try to crack. This is the and what is this? Na. And what is this? This sound pa, na. Yes, good job. Over here you can crack na. Two sounds, two letters. Dash space, and this sound pa represent this. Okay, nap, nap in English we say it's a major. Okay, so how do we write it? Na is just like the joining form of ba, but the dot is up. Na and pa, nap. Okay, let's move on to the next. Okay, we are on to the next. Over here we have got, the today's, our vowel which we, learned today. That's the O. What's the vowel? O. Okay, let's try to break up the sounds over here. Okay, two dots up. I told you in the previous item, what's the sound that? What is that sound? Ta. It's the soft ta. Okay, soft ta. Okay, over here, this is the sound code. Ta, and what's this learned today? Ta, o, to, and this sound l, tol. Yes, good job. Okay, over here, tha, and this is the sound code o, to, and this is l, to. Let me write it for you. Tha, the first sound followed by o. I told you today how to write it. Make a circle and turn like this, and this is l, tol. Okay, what's the tol in English? That is way. Okay, way, that's tol. Okay, let's move on to the next blend. Okay, this is the extension of previous what we learned. Okay, let's try to crack this one. Okay, I already told you two dots up. What's the sound? Ta. And what's the sound? This o, ta, o, to. Okay, now let's write ta and o, to. Okay, now you have to crack. What is this sound? This is the half shape of this. Okay, the joining form. You can better understand in Urdu. We say the half shape, but we say joining form. This is the joining form of this sound. This is the l. So like we have to joining form l, ta, o, to, l. over here we have got, this is another sound, okay, this is we told you that we write always separate like this, but over here in Urdu, if you have to put after l, you put him over here just like in his cradle, you know, just like over, you put it over there, okay. So this, the letter you know, this is the sound of, or the letter, it has its own position, but you'll not put it separate apart, you'll put it over there so that it has some joining impact over there, okay. So that's how we can read it out, th, o, to, l, and we have a new chord of Allah, okay. That's the missing part of it, tola, okay. Tola, what is tola? Weighed, okay. The tol is weigh, to weigh, and when you weigh something, you say it's been weighed, so that's known as tola. Okay, I'll be now giving you two words for a home practice, so that, okay, over here I hope that you must have understood the letter sound concept, okay. Let me give you the home practice. Okay, we have got this word over here, okay. You need to crack. If you cannot crack, use this phonetic coding to crack. I have already told you this is the English meaning. That's an easy one. That's the English meaning. That's speak. So you need to read this one. Then we'll move over here. That's a 4-letter blends. Okay. Then over here, l, ala concept. Okay. I not goes over there, but it comes and, you know, we place it somewhere over here. That's something, you know, it's in a joined form, but keeps his you know, keeps his full form, okay, over here. So you need to crack this one. If you could not, go for this phonetic coding sound, and this is the meaning, okay. I hope that you should be able to do this one. That was for today's lesson. I hope that the lesson was very interesting for today. Okay, this was all for today's lesson number 3. I hope that you must have learned something today. You need to practice it at home. Any feedback session are more than welcome. Until next video, bye bye. God be with you. Khuda Hafiz.